Okay, students, I am continuing the same thing, same chapter, same heading. It is the structure of fructose molecule. So we came to know that fructose is a long chain compound containing 6 carbon atoms, forming 6 carbon atoms as a chain, and it also contains 5 OH groups, 1 ketonic group, and position of ketonic group, right? And these whole things happen we have studied in the previous session, small session. In this session, we are finding out the configuration of the molecule, how to write the open chain structure by writing the correct configuration, and then we have to write the the ring structure and Howard structure of fructose molecule. In the previous class, that is last week, I told you sucrose molecule contains 1 glucose molecule and 1 fructose molecule. And the joining of the molecule and the Howard representation also I explained in the previous class. So you must be knowing the open chain structure of glucose. And I have written somewhere, some 2 to 3 places, the exact fructose open chain structures also. So you have noticed these 2 structures already. But we have to find out a conclusion of how to write the configuration of the compound. For that purpose, first I will take this form. I will take the camera and show you later. This form I got from the previous session, in which there are 6 carbon atoms and 5 OH groups and 1 ketonic group. The ketonic group is at carbon number 2. These are points we discussed in the previous session. So by that points we got this structure of open chain structure of fructose as written like this. But I have not written the exact position of HOH and HOH, which I have to write the correct configuration. The correct configuration of fructose is here. This is the CH2OH at the top, CO at the second, and then the third carbon atom, the OH group is placed on the left side, just like in the case of glucose molecule. How I could write this structure? This structure I could write from a reaction. The reaction of glucose with phenylhydrazine. Otherwise, the reaction of fructose with phenylhydrazine. The reaction of glucose with phenylhydrazine, I explained in the previous class, and you are getting a glucosazone. 2 molecules of phenylhydrazine and 3 molecules. Third molecule reacts, and you are getting ultimately glucosazone in the case of open chain structure of glucose. But in the case of fructose also, if you take the fructose molecule and if you react the fructose molecule with phenylhydrazine, then you are getting the same glucosazone. So glucose also will be forming the glucosazone molecule, and fructose also will be forming the same glucosazone molecule when these molecules are reacted with phenylhydrazine. So if you are getting the same phenylhydrazine, then glucose molecule and fructose molecules to some extent, so to the majority of the extent, they are similar. So that is why you have to take the lower part of the glucose molecule, lower part of the glucose molecule and lower part of the, that is 4 carbon atom, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon, the configuration of glucose and fructose would be same. So therefore, you can write the configuration of fructose also similar to glucose, except for the top end of the molecule and the carbonyl group. Carbonyl group means the ketonic group. The lower part of containing 4 carbon atoms, the configuration of glucose and fructose will be similar because they too will be giving the same type of glucosazone when reacting with the phenylhydrazine. So that is why this is the rough structure of fructose molecule and this is the configuration of fructose molecule. Fructose molecule's configuration is like this. And thirdly, if you know the open chain structures, configuration structure, then you can write what you can say, the alpha and beta forms of the 6-membered ring system. Actually, the fructose molecule is present in sucrose as a 5-membered ring system, which is known as a Furano structure, which I told you in the previous class. But before going to that level, we could write what is the 6-membered ring system, because 6-membered ring systems are more stable than 5-membered ring system. Understand the point? In sucrose molecule it is present as a 5-membered ring system. That's why I told you in the last class to write the Furano structure. But you should write the Pirano structure also. That is the 6-membered ring system. So here there is the ring structure of a fructose molecule. I have written like this: CH2OH. This CH2OH I will explain by taking the camera very near to the blackboard. Students, have a closer look up to the molecule. So this is all about the open chain structure: CH2OH, CO, CHOH, CHOH, CHOH. This structure is obtained from the previous 5 points I explained in the previous session. And then if you write the configuration structure, CH2OH, CO, and COH should write here X. I told you glucose and fructose, the lower part of the molecules are same. Therefore, OH group you have to write here. How I could write this structure? You have to take the glucose molecule, right? Glucose molecule is on treatment with phenylhydrazine. You are getting an hososome. This is glucososome. And fructose molecule also, if you take the fructose molecule here and doing the same reaction, you are getting the same hososome. That is hydrazone, phenylhydrazone. That is nothing but it is the glucososome. In this case also glucose and fructose. This is fructose molecule and this is glucose molecule. Both will react with phenylhydrazine, forming the same glucososome. Right? From this reaction, we could get an idea of the lower part of the molecule. The lower part of fructose molecule is same as, that is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon atom unit is same as in the case of glucose molecule. And from this molecule, this configuration structure, you have to write the ring structure of the compound. Ring structure of the compound, I told you, Pirano structure you have to write first. CH2OH, you have to condense like this. And OH group you have to write left side, and CH2OH the top. This CH2OH in the top you have to write the right side, and here it is left side. That is this CH2 hydrogen from here. Okay. Then the CO, this one you have to write like this. Okay. So this is nothing but the beta structure, beta form of the fructose molecule. Beta form of the fructose molecule. Now I can write the Havard structure of the molecule also, which you got an idea about Havard structure of the compound. Just wait for 1 minute. If you want to see the writing of this structure, Havard structure, you have to write, I told you, first you have to write the 6-membered ring system and putting the bond like this, and then entering the group as I told you in the previous class. Left side group should be written back. This OH and CH2OH you have to write in this OH left side group upside and the right side group down. Again HOH and this is CH2. CH2 is not. C is 0. So if you want to see that again, I will show once again that this is a molecule. This molecule I could write. This molecule I could write into the Pirano structure, and putting group, left side groups I should put upside, and right side group I should put the lower side. That is HOH, CH2OH. This is OH, this is HOH, This is HOH and the final CH2 that you have to write. C is in the middle and hydrogen there. So this is the way of writing the Pirano structure of the molecule. But Furano structure is also there. I will show you now. Furano structure is also there. Furano structure is also there, which I will show you now. So this is a 5-member ring system which I should write like this. If I want to write the Furano ring system, then I have to rearrange molecule like this. Then the molecule should be written like this. See, this is OH and this is CH2. So we are taking the beta form and C, OH, H, C, H, and C, H, okay, right, like this I have to take, I have to select this oxygen on this way, and here I have to write CH2, and put like this, lower part should not be dissolved, and this part should be, this hydrogen should be, shifted to the, that means this oxygen. And you are writing like this. So this you can write as a 5-member ring system. Okay, 5-member ring system. So you have to put like this. You have to put the bond like this, and you put OH group on the top, and CH2 OH in the top part. This is this part. This is OH, and this is HOH. And this is HCH2. So what is this compound? This is the beta fructofuranous. This is beta fructofuranous. What is this compound? This is beta fructopyranous. So these are the types of structures, different structures of fructose molecule. And students, I told you, usually in every class I used to upload 2 videos. Because one video, if I upload, it may have some more than 3 GB. So it will take some 1 hour to 1 hour for uploading. So in order to solve that problem, I divided each videos into 2 smaller videos. Today in the first video, what I told is you have to study certain reactions, 5 to 6 reactions, and you should get some conclusion regarding the open chain structure of the compound, fructose molecule. And what are those reactions? Except the molecular formula, the reaction with the acetylation, acetyl chloride, reduction, right, oxidation, and then 2 more reactions. After oxidation, 1 more reaction. So these 4 reactions mainly, very important. By studying the 4 reactions, we should get the idea of the open chain structure of fructose molecule. And glucose molecule and fructose molecules are very close together. Molecular formula is same, and lower part of the molecule also same. That we could understand the position of the configuration position, that is position of OH group and H group. That should be understood by the reaction with the phenyl hydrazine. And phenyl hydrazine, in both cases you are getting glucose also will form glucosazone, and fructose also will be forming glucosazone. So therefore the lower part of the molecule, the configuration will be same. That you have to write like that. After getting the open chain structure and the configuration picture, you can slightly write the ring structure. 2 types of ring structure. One is the Pirano's form, another one is the Furano's form. One is the 6-member ring system, another one is the 5-member ring system. And if you know this ring structure, you can easily write the Havard representation of a fructose molecule. And fructose is present, as I told you, it is present in sucrose molecule as a 5-member ring system. In the other cases, most of the other cases, it is present as a 6 number system. You should understand both. What is a Pirano structure and what is a Furano structure. If you know the structures of all structures, you can write easily the Howard structures of the compound. I think you could understand what is the open chain, ring structure, as well as the Howard representation, Howard structures of fructose molecules on today's class. And the next class we will be talking about some of disaccharides. And you have to study the Howard representation. That is the you have to write the cyclic structure and then Howard structures of some of the disaccharides molecule. I told you already what is the structure of sucrose molecule, and sucrose is a disaccharide. So already given classes. And you can see the videos number of times. And you could understand the things in a proper manner. Thank you for patiently hearing on today also.